CCF North EDSA para sa mga men. Ngayon ay October 31 hanggang November 1 bukas. Yan, overnight kami dito sa Tanay. Overnight camping. Dami namin dala, punong-puno. Yan, kasi kami kasi nag-grocery para sa sa event, para sa food.
Yan naman, yan.
Ready?
Ang bibig ko sa
Diyan na lang siya. Or dito.
Sing this. Yes, Lord, yes, Lord, yes, yes, Lord. Yes, Lord, yes, Lord, yes, yes, Lord. Yes, Lord, yes, Lord, yes, yes, Lord. Amen. I am rest with the crushed, persecuted, and not abandoned. Surrounded but not destroyed. I am blessed beyond a curse, for His promise will endure.
Addicted to alcohol, no? So, there is spiritual crisis within you, no? Na sinasabi mo gusto mong makawala, no? And then, the last is yung fear of appearing weak or unmanly. Ayoko
Doubting. Ang sabi po doon, but he said to me, this is God telling Paul, my grace is sufficient for you. For my power is made perfect in weakness. Therefore, Paul is telling us, I therefore boast more gladly of my weakness, so that Christ's power may rest on.
Yellow, red, black. Yellow, red, black, pink. Yun. Bibigyan namin kayo tig 3 lobo lang. Tama na yung, nanalo na tayo sa strategy din. Lapit na, lapit na, lapit. Sige po, lapit na lahat. Okay, 3. Magtalikuran po kayo para magkagulatan. Sige, talikuran. Tingin po kayo sa Tingin kayo sa likod. Yan. Tapos dikit pa po, dikit pa po. 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, you are God, and we lift you up. We'll keep singing, we'll keep praising, we won't stop. Give it all we got, 'cause you're worthy of all glory and all. There is no other, you are forever, Lord over all.
lalaban sa lalaban sa championship round.
So, paano yun?
Isang kamay lang. Ang kamay lang. Wag muna. Hintayin yung ready, set, go. Dalawang kamay. Go! Yung plato, ipapasa na yung plato. Hindi, wag nyo maabutin, ipapasa.
Of the goodness of God. Goodness is running after me. Your goodness is running after me. Yan, gilid sila dumadaan. Franz, kumusta? Kaya mo yan, bro! Hey, nice! Tawid tayo dito, tawid tayo sa island. Tawid tayo sa island, dito. Yay!
God is greater than all, greater than your trials, greater than your pain. Believe the miracle will come from the Lord. Lift your eyes up high, don't stop crying out. Stay in prayer, your victory will come about. He will make a way. Every step you take is a step in faith.
Sabi dito, isabi din ito eh. Why? Just as Christ also loved the church and gave himself up for her, so that he might sanctify her, having the word. Tama tayo ang magbibisikulo sa wife, sa anak natin with the word, magbibigay siya.
Nang nakaka-bless na may mga kayak na isang tao ang kalapit ka. Yun nga si John.
Rising in the dawn, the sun took orders. Faith in the veins, like the blood of the martyrs. Walking through the storm with the armor of light. Blessed in the darkness, soul ignites. Voices in harmony, choirs of the faithful. Hands to the sky, blessings uncountable. Mountains may move, spirit unshakable. Hearts set ablaze, devotion undeniable.